the Civic Type R. Let's go get the car out.
Has he recorded himself with Steve?
What's going on, guys? As you said it, we are gonna get the straight pipe Civic Type R out. The Civic Type R is basically 3 cars away. We've got the 3.2 Quattro, then the Golf GTI, and it's way back there. But we need to do it. We need to jump start the car, get that out somehow. Somehow, if I can get through these cars. And here she is. It's been a very long time since it's been on the road. Give a bit of a throwback. Jump started the 3.2 Quattro right now. Wow. In 3, 2, 1. Come on. Come on. There we go. Let's get this car out. There'll be some footage on the prelude soon. Okay. Wow. This car is crazy, man. Oh my god, this car just wants to spin. I did want to move the Lexus, but it's just going to be a nightmare to move that. So let's move the GTI. Only problem I've got is how am I going to get in the car? The only way to get to the Golf GTI is to just open the boot. I don't know if this battery will still work. Wow, we heard a spark. Look at that. Jeez, the bad things that happen when you park your car out for a while. Holy smokes. Let's just see if this car starts up after I don't know how long. In 3, 2, 1, firing the rocket. Wow, that's crazy, that is. Oh my god, off the fan, off the fan. Mayday. Almost there. All right, we've got 2 cars down. 3.2 Golf GTI out. What's left? The Civic Type R. Let's go get the car out. That some rats has been sitting, probably thinking VTEC kicked in, yo. Oh, we did so well. This is an epic fail. Cut this. Okay, so that plan was an absolute fail. So we decided to basically bring out the Lexus IS200, the 4-wheel drive Honda CR-V, and now we're going to start up the Premier Edition and then get to Civic Type R. Alright, the final car that has been parked here for many months. Make some noise. Alright. Come on. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Let's get her out of here, man. She don't deserve to be parked up. Some birds were not meant to be cages, their feathers were just too bright. And the Civic is back on the road. Oh! Jeez! Come on! Oh man, does it feel so good? It's got the silencer on there, otherwise it would have been blasting. Wow. We waited so long, and I'm sure you guys are excited because I've seen a few comments, people dropping, where's the Type R gone? But it's back. So we're on our way to the MOT station. Hopefully this car, it is a really clean Type R, so it should pass with flying colours. I can't remember if I closed the bonnet on this. We don't want to see another smash now, do we? There we go. MOT station on time. So here she is, all parked up. Hopefully she'll pass with flying colours. It's a bit quiet in here, to be honest. It's a bit dark as well. You can't see the K20. It's a bit, needs a very good clean, to be honest, the engine bay. I know there's a bit of a damage here from the previous videos you probably see. Whack! But we're going to try and repair that. We're going to try, I've ordered like this jig from eBay for like 30 quid, and whether we're going to get it out, we're going to try. It's going to be the project car, the first one that we're going to drive and modify it. Tank, we need to get some petrol. Oh look, a shell garage. Let's go there. I'd say a year since this car's been out in hibernation. Okay, I gotta pay first, okay. Okay, yeah? Is that good, yeah? Alright. Oh, that's quite quick. Praise be to the Almighty, like, it's such a good car. And I can't even tell the difference. Ooh, that car almost smashed me. Man, that would have been the end of the Type R. I'm hunting a German car already. It hasn't even been a few hours. GTI. It says DK tuned. Yes, go. Man, Golf is rapid. Got ourselves a new German car here. Let me take a sums it up, I guess. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.